Let us now look at in detail all the 8 planets, including the dwarf planet. Okay, so we are going to look at planets. Planets. The first planet that we are looking at, which is very close to the Sun, is Mercury. This is the first planet. It is the smallest and closest to the Sun. So what about Mercury? It is the smallest. Smallest, closest to the Sun. Closest to the Sun. Next, the second planet we are talking about is Venus. Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. Okay, Venus is the second. Closest to the Sun. Okay, Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. It is known as an evening as well as morning star. You have heard of morning star? Morning star. And that is Venus. You have heard of evening star. That's also Venus. So it's got 2 names. This closest, second closest to the Sun is the morning star and the evening star. And it is the hottest planet. It is the hottest. Hottest planet. Next, we are going to look at the next planet. The third planet we are going to look at is our own planet. All right? The third one is the Earth. Our Earth. What about the Earth? It is the third planet. Okay? Earth is the third from the Sun. Third planet. Now, life is possible only on this planet. So, Earth is got life. How does it have life? How is the life possible? Because Earth has air, Earth has water, then it is neither too hot or cold. It is not too hot, not too cold. And that's about the Earth. The fourth one is Mars. The fourth planet we are looking at. The fourth one is the Mars. Now, what about the Mars planet? It's the fourth planet and it is known as the red planet. What is it known as? Mars is known as the red planet. Red. Red planet. Because the presence of iron minerals. Why is it red? The presence of, it has got iron minerals. Iron minerals. The red planet and it's the fourth planet. Next we are going to look at the fifth planet, which is our fifth planet. Our fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter. Jupiter is our fifth planet. Mars, now Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. Jupiter is the largest. Jupiter is the largest. Then the next one is the Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet. Saturn is the sixth planet and it is the second largest planet. Second largest. The second largest planet. Next, it is surrounded by ring-like structures. So Saturn has rings. It has got rings around like structures. The seventh one, Uranus. What about the seventh planet Uranus? It's the seventh planet from the Sun. It also contains ring-like structures. Again, Uranus also has rings around it. Finally, the eighth planet is the Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet and the Neptune is the eighth planet and it is the farthest planet, far away from the Sun. It is the last and the farthest planet. Farthest planet. And finally, we have the ninth, which is the dwarf planet. Actually, it is not the ninth, but it was, and it is called Pluto. Pluto, which is the smallest, it was known as a small planet, now it is known as the dwarf. Dwarf planet. Okay, it is no more considered the real planet, so the Pluto is the dwarf planet in the solar system. Now, what did I say about some planets? Like the Earth is made up of rock, there are others who are made up of gases. Let's look at all the planets that we have here. Mercury, which is the first closest to the Sun and it is the smallest. Venus, the second closest to the Sun, it is called another name, morning star. It's also called the evening star. And Venus is called the hottest planet. Earth is the third planet and only on Earth there is life. Life is there only on this planet. Okay? Because of the air and the presence of water. It is neither too hot, neither too cold. Mars, it's called the red planet because the presence of iron minerals in it. Jupiter, the largest planet. The next, Saturn, the second largest, and it's got rings, very distinctive ring structures around it. Uranus also has ring structures around planet. Neptune is the farthest and the Pluto, the last, the dwarf planet.